POV or point of view. The teacher says no phones in class, but you have yours, choosing chaos. This is about refusing to abide by the rules. Synonyms for abide include comply, tolerate, and conform. A memory trick is to associate abide with bide your time, meaning to patiently follow the rules instead of fighting back. However, Generation Alpha might say can't abide, meaning they won't be tolerating something. Spotted in today's news, the UN Secretary General urged all parties in the Middle East conflict to abide by the terms of the ceasefire agreement. The term abide by is common in legal and formal contexts. It can also be tested as, quote, cannot abide, meaning cannot tolerate. Learn both meanings.